Good day, grade 6 learners! How are you today? I am Teacher Maris and I will be guiding you in answering your module in health. At the end of this module, you should be able to enumerate and describe the different components of consumer health. Now, prepare your pen and your self-learning module in health, Quarter 4, Week 2, entitled The Different Components of Consumer Health. Are you ready? Before we discuss our lesson for today, let us answer first the activity in What I Know to check what you already know about the topic. Turn your module on page 2 and here are the directions for letter A.
Directions. Read each item carefully and circle the letter which best describes the statement. Do it in your module. Number 1. It is a place where injured and sick people look for medical and surgical care. Letter A, mall. Letter B, hospital. Letter C, beauty parlor. The correct answer is letter B, hospital. Number 2. A substance that is in a form of pill or liquid being used to treat and relieve pain and illness. Letter A, medicine. Letter B, beauty soap. And letter C, lipstick. The correct answer is letter A, medicine. Number 3. A person who prescribes medicine to treat illnesses and injuries to improve patients' health. Letter A, physician. Letter B, veterinarian. Letter C, lawyer. The correct answer is letter A, physician. Number 4. It is a connection to computers via routers and serves to provide health information. Letter A, internet. Letter B, Bluetooth. Letter C, share it. The correct answer is letter A, internet. Number 5. This is a place where people can go to have beauty treatments such as haircut, foot spa, and others. Letter A, beauty parlor. Letter B, computer shop. And letter C, photo shop. The correct answer is letter A, beauty parlor. For letter B, the directions are: match column A with column B. Write the letter only that best describes the word in column A. Write your answer in your module. Here are the words in column A. Number 1, media. Number 2, internet. Number 3, PhilHealth. Number 4, pharmacy. Number 5, barbershop. Now, here are the choices in column B. Letter A, a public health insurance which provides health care to people. Letter B, it is a means of communication like radio and television. Letter C, a store where drugs are sold. Letter D, a shop where men and women can have their hair cut. Letter E, a global network that provides information from interconnected networks. Okay, let's check your answers. Number 1, the correct answer is letter B. Number 2, the answer is letter E. And number 3, the correct answer is letter A. Number 4, the answer is letter C. And number 5, the correct answer is letter D.
Now, count your scores. Did you get a perfect score? Good job! Keep up the good work. If you got low score, do not worry. It means that this module is for you. We are done answering the activity in What I Know. That's great! Now, let us move on to what's in on page 4. In here, we will recall and enumerate the 3 components of consumer health.
Consumer health has 3 different components. These are health information, health products, and health services. When we say health information, these are data and facts about health products and services you can get from media and people, including professionals and agencies. Next, health products. These are substances, materials, or equipment prepared or manufactured for you to buy and use for the treatment of diseases. While health services, these are actions or procedures or works performed for health professionals, organizations, or institutions to help satisfy needs and wants of consumers. They are offered in places that give healthcare services.
You have learned the meaning of 3 components of consumer health. Now, let us proceed to what's new on page 5. Let us learn more information about the components of consumer health. Here are the directions. Directions. Study the chart below to be familiar with the examples of the different components of consumer health. As we can see in the table, we have here in the first column the components of consumer health. In the second column, we have the example. And the last column, we have the description. The first component of consumer health is health information. And one example of health information is internet. So what is an internet? Internet is a connection to the computer or gadget anywhere in the world. It can provide information you need to know. The second component of consumer health is health services. And one example of health service is a physician. A physician is a person who prescribes medicines to treat illnesses and injuries that can improve patients' health. He can also be a source of health information. Another example of health service is hospital. Hospital is a facility where sick or injured people are given medical or surgical care. It can also provide health information. Another example of health service is barbershop. Barbershop is a place where people can go to have a haircut. The third and last component of consumer health is health products. An example of health products are medicines. What are medicines? Medicines are substances used for the treatment of illnesses or diseases and maintenance of well-being. I hope you get to familiarize yourself with the examples of the different components. Let us now proceed to what is it. Turn your module on page 6. In here, we will discuss and describe the 3 components of consumer health. Here are the directions.
Directions. Read and understand the paragraphs which describe the 3 components of consumer health. Answer the questions that follow on your module. First is health information. People acquire accurate and appropriate health information based on their health needs through media such as radio, television, and internet. Print materials such as magazines, journals, newspapers, books, pamphlets, and posters are screened or edited before they are published to give correct information. Educational institutions like schools, colleges, or universities also provide information. Next is health products. People use and consume health products. These are food, cosmetics, drugs, gadgets, household substances, and many others. These products may be bought from different places like stores, supermarkets, pharmacies, or drugstores. An example of this is medicine, a pill or liquid in form substance which is used to treat illnesses and to relieve pain. The last component is health services. Health services provide health care to people. Some of the healthcare providers are doctor, nurse, pharmacist, and midwife. Different health services are offered in places or institutions that give healthcare services like hospital, drugstore, and health clinic. Health organization like PhilHealth, a public health insurance that gives medical assistance to its members and beneficiaries. Red Cross, Department of Health, and community health centers are agencies that also provide health care. After reading and understanding the different components of consumer health, answer the following questions in your module. Number 1. What is health information and its importance? Number 2. What is health products and its importance? And number 3. What is health service and its importance? Now, let's check your answers. Number 1. What is health information and its importance? The answer is health information are data and facts about health products and services. People acquire accurate and appropriate health information. Number 2. What is health products and its importance? The answer is health products are substances, materials or equipment. People use and consume health products. And number 3, what is health service and its importance? And the answer is, health services are actions or procedures or works performed for health professionals, organizations, or institutions. It provides health care to people.
Did you get the correct answers? Very good! Now, let us see if you really understand our lesson. It is time to apply what you have learned about the components of consumer health. Here are the directions.
Directions. Fill in the box with the missing letters to complete the word or words related to components of consumer health. Write your answer in your module. Number 1. Something which can be bought in the drugstores, malls, and hospitals. The correct answer is health products. Number 2. A facility where injured and sick people look for medical treatment. The correct answer is hospital. Number 3. A substance which is in a form of pill or liquid used to treat and relieve pain and illnesses. The correct answer is medicine. Number 4. A global network that provides information from interconnected networks. The correct answer is internet. Number 5. It is a health service provided especially to sick people. The correct answer is healthcare.
To sum it up, answer the activity in what I have learned. Here are the directions.
Directions. Complete the statement about the different components of consumer health by filling in the blanks with the correct word or words given in the rectangular box. Write your answer on your module. Here are the choices: PhilHealth, pharmacy, radio, hospital, and television. Number 1. Health information may come from media like blank and blank. Number 2. Health products can be bought from mall, drugstores, or blank, which can be used for health maintenance and treatment of illnesses. Number 3. Blank provides health care to people through medical and financial assistance. Number 4. Sick and injured people are given health services in the blank. Here are the correct answers. Number 1. Radio and television. Number 2. Pharmacy. Number 3. PhilHealth. And number 4. Hospital.
Let's proceed to what I can do on page 9. Here are the directions. Directions. Identify the picture and provide its purpose or function. Write your answers on your module.
Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. Here are the answers. Number 1, hospital. Hospital is a facility where sick or injured people are given medical or surgical care. Number 2, the answer is PhilHealth. PhilHealth is a public health insurance that gives medical assistance to its members and beneficiaries. Number 3, the answer is cell phone. It provides information you need to know. Number 4, the correct answer is doctors or physicians. Doctors or physicians are persons who prescribe medicines to treat illnesses and injuries that can improve patients' health. Number 5, the correct answer is medicines. It is used for the treatment of illnesses or diseases and maintenance of well-being. Number 6, the answer is barbershop. Barbershop is a place where people can go to have a haircut.
You have learned the different components of consumer health and its descriptions. Now, get ready to answer the assessment on page 10. Here are the directions.
Directions. Describe the set of pictures in the given box by providing the component of consumer health and its importance. Write your answer in your module. Number 1, radio, computer, and cell phone. The component of consumer health is health information. And the importance of health information: people acquire accurate and appropriate health information based on their health needs. Number 2, medical professional, pharmacy, and hospital. The component of consumer health is health services. And its importance: it provides health care to people. Number 3, medicines, oral hygiene kit, and milk. The component of consumer health is health products. And the importance of health products: it is used and consumed by people.
I hope you get all the correct answers.
For the additional activity, here are the directions. Directions: match the following descriptions in column A with column B. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Write the answer on your module. In column A, we have number 1. These are procedures or works performed by health professionals, organizations, or institutions to help the consumers on their health needs. Number 2. These are facts about health products and health services that you can get from media and people, including professionals and agencies. Number 3. These are materials or equipment prepared or manufactured for you. Column B, we have letter A, health products, letter B, health services, and letter C, health information. Here are the correct answers. Number 1, letter B. Number 2, letter C. And number 3, letter A.
This ends our lesson for today. I hope you learned something from our discussion. Always remember to keep safe and healthy. Thank you for watching and listening. Goodbye!